Amid heavy rains in Sikkim and adjoining North Bengal areas of the district of Kalimpong of West Bengal, incident of slope failure had taken place 30 meters ahead of the crucial tunnel number 7 of the Shevok Rongpo railway project, which after getting completed would actually link the Himalayan state of Sikkim with the national rail network. And tunnel number 7 is very important because in this tunnel you will also see when the project gets completed, one would see the Tista Bajar railway station also coming up there. In fact, what we have been given to understand by the Northeast Frontier Railway is that due to very heavy rain, due to landslides, the concrete structure that guards the slope, the approach slope, which is about 30 meters ahead of the main tunnel, that kind of gave in, that collapsed. And there is a viral video which has gone viral, where these are dramatic videos where one can see the collapse of the complete infrastructure. However, railway says that since there were nobody there at that point of time, there is no casualties, no injuries or no loss of machineries. In fact, the work to restore the site has started, the debris are being removed, and in fact this is a very important project because this will link the Himalayan state of Sikkim to the rest of the country through rail. However, the concerns of the eastern Himalayas and the landslides still remains with this incident which has been caught on camera.